Hi everyone. In this video you are learning about how to make a dry mount to view under the microscope. So dry mounts are the easiest mount to make. All you need is a glass slide and a cover slip, which are the tiny glass squares here. And of course these are both made of glass, so you need to be extra careful when you're handling them. The reason you do a dry mount in biology is if you want to view something that's not alive, because cells need water, but if something's dead, it doesn't need any water to look all right. So you can use dry mounts for things like hairs, insects, bark, dirt, dry skin, and things like that. So let's start off by making a simple dry mount of a piece of hair that we've prepared earlier. Here's our hair specimen, so we're taking it with our tweezers, putting it onto the glass slide. And then to make a dry mount, all you do is you take the cover slip, you hold it at about 45 degrees, and then you let it fall down onto the specimen. And that's our finished dry mount of a hair, ready to view under the microscope. I might just straighten it a little bit. There we go. The other option you can use for a dry mount is these concave slides. So you can see here, in the middle here, the concave slide has this circular indentation. And that means you can use a slightly thicker specimen and it won't get crushed. So if you want to look at an insect, for example, here we've got a dead mosquito. We can put that in the indentation of the concave slide. And there's a little bit more room for it to fit, so it won't be as crushed when we're viewing it under the microscope. So I'm making a dry mount of the mosquito here. We've put it on our slide. Here's our cover slip. Dropping the cover slip down, and that's actually still raised quite a bit by about 0.5 centimetre. So this specimen is just too thick for this slide, but I'm going to push down on it a little bit. Carefully, and now it's not too high up and we can have a look at that one under the microscope too. So that's how you make a dry mount.